Hello, I'm Logan from Miro AI Studio. Miro Sidekicks are AI teammates that work alongside you on the canvas, helping you move from idea to outcome faster. To get started, click the Sidekicks icon on the left side of your board. The panel opens, and you will see your sidekick introduce itself and explain how it can help. At the top of the panel, you will find the Sidekicks library. Click it to explore different expert sidekicks. Each one is specialized for specific work. Agile coaches, product leaders, marketing experts, and more. Just select the sidekick that matches what you are working on. You can even set a sidekick as the default for your board. That way, everyone on your team starts with the same expert, keeping collaboration aligned from the start. Let's start with a quick action. Click Design a Workshop Agenda. Miro automatically generates a prompt for you. You can modify it to be more specific if you want, but for now, let's keep it as is and hit Send. Your sidekick creates a workshop agenda document. If you do not like it, you can refine the prompt and ask again. But let's say this one works, so click Add to Canvas. The agenda is now on your board, fully editable and ready to use. Here's where it gets powerful. Your sidekick can build on what it just created. Let's say we need ideas for the icebreaker activity. Type, I need ideas for the icebreaker. Please give me at least 5. Just below the prompt, select Sticky Notes as the output format. Your sidekick generates 5 icebreaker ideas as sticky notes, using the agenda as context. Everything stays connected on your canvas. But this is just the beginning. Miro's sidekicks really shine when you already have a board full of content and need help with next steps. Imagine you have just finished a brainstorming session on improving office efficiency. You have dozens of sticky notes, but no clear direction. Switch to the Agile Coaching Sidekick from the library. Ask it, create a table with the top ideas based on your knowledge. Your sidekick analyzes all the content on your board and creates an organized table prioritizing the best ideas. It turns chaos into clarity in seconds. Pro tips to make sidekicks even more powerful. You can keep asking follow-up questions, and your sidekick remembers the conversation context. Switch between different sidekicks throughout your project as your needs change. Select content on your board before prompting to give your sidekick more context about what you need. Use the format selector to choose exactly how you want outputs: documents, sticky notes, tables, diagrams, or prototypes. This is less than 1% of what you can do with Miro Sidekicks. The possibilities are limitless. And you can even create your own custom sidekicks tailored to your team's specific workflows. But that will be covered in another video, so stay tuned. Start using sidekicks to save time and move your work forward faster. If you are curious about creating custom sidekicks or exploring more advanced features, check out our Mastering Miro playlist. Do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss our next tutorial on building custom sidekicks and other powerful ways to accelerate your work in Miro.